Good morning, dear students. Let's start differentiation. Students, today we initiate topic higher order derivatives. That means we do derivative more than one time. Okay, so students, let's start. Here we have exercise 5.7 and question number 1. Find the second order derivatives of the function x squared plus 3x plus 2. Students, this topic is similar as we have done previously. But students, here you have to notice just one thing. If they ask to find the derivative 2 times, then you have to do derivative 2 times. Okay? With the same formulas, with the same rules. Now students, here we have the function x squared plus 3x plus 2. First, let y is equals to x squared plus 3x plus 2 differentiate with respect to x. In this way, we get derivative of x squared is 2x and derivative of 3x is 3. And here 2 is constant, so its derivative is 0. So, in this way, we get dy over dx is equals to 2x plus 3. But students, this is the first order derivative. Now students, we have to find the second order derivative. For that, we have to do derivative one more time. So students, let's start. Differentiate again with respect to x. So here we will write d square y over dx squared. Student, notice one thing. If you write d square y over d square x, then this notation is completely wrong. So students, be careful about this. You have to write d square y over dx squared, and again here we have function 2x plus 3 and derivative of 2x is 2 because derivative of x is 1. 1 into 2 we get 2, and here 3 is constant, so derivative of constant function is 0. In this way we get d square y over dx square is equal to 2. Thus, we get the solution. Now, students, move to the next question. Find the second order derivatives of the function x raised to power 20. So, first let y is equals to x raised to power 20. Now, differentiate with respect to x. We get 20x raised to power 19. Students, here we use the power rule. First write power, then subtract 1 from the power. In this way, we get dy over dx is equals to 20x raised to power 19. Now students, but in the question they asked to find derivative 2 times. So, we will write again differentiate with respect to x. In this way, we get dy over dx, derivative of dy over dx again with respect to x is equals to derivative of 20x raised to power 19. Here 20 is constant and that is already in the multiplication. So, we will do derivative of x raised to power 19 and that becomes 19x raised to power 18 by power rule. So, students, in this way, we get the required result, that is the d square y over dx squared is equals to 380x raised to power 18. Now, here we have question number 3. Find the second order derivatives of the function x into cos x. Students, here you can observe we have two functions. First is algebraic, x is algebraic, and second is the trigonometric function. So students, we will apply here the product rule. So differentiate with respect to x, we get dy over dx. By using the product rule method, here I have mentioned the formula of product rule. First, derivative of x and cos x remain as it is. Then do derivative of cos x and x remain as it is. In this way, cos x as it is, derivative of x with respect to x, we get 1. And we know that derivative of cos x is minus sin x. In this way, we get dy over dx is equals to cos x minus x sin x. Now students, they asked us to find the derivative, second order derivative. So again, differentiate with respect to x of the same function, dy over dx, derivative with respect to x of dy over dx, and we will write d square y over dx squared. This is the notation of second order derivative. So here in the right hand side, we get cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x, and here x into sin x. We have two functions in multiplication, so we use here product rule again. Here x, derivative of x with respect to x, sin x function as it is, derivative of sin x and x function as it is. So derivative of x with respect to x is 1 and derivative of sin x is cos x. So in this way we get minus sin x minus x cos x, and minus sin x becomes minus 2 sin x. In this way we get second order derivative minus x cos x minus 2 sin x. And here students we have next question, question number 4. Find the second order derivatives of the function log x. Let y is equals to cos x, differentiate with respect to x, we get. Students, we know that derivative of log x is 1 over x. So students, here we have log x, so derivative of log x is 1 over x, and derivative of x is 1. So students, here we have to find the second order derivatives. Again differentiating with respect to x, we get d over dx, dy over dx is equals to derivative of 1 over x. So students, for that we have to take x in the numerator and we will write x raised to the minus 1. Now take power, write down power, x remain as it is and subtract 1 from power. In this way we get minus 1x raised to the minus 2. But student, remember one thing, power remain always a positive. Power, you have to remain power always positive. So for that you should take x raised to minus 2 in the denominator. So students, here in this way we get d square y over dx squared is equals to minus 1 over x squared. So in this way students, if they asked us to find the derivative, third order derivative, then we will write d cube y over dx cube and do its derivative again with the same rule. In this way we will write minus 1 x raised to the minus 2 and its derivative is minus 1 into minus 2 x raised to power minus 3. It's very simple, but it needs a lot of practice. So students, hopefully all of you understand today's topic. So thank you for watching the complete video.